QuickRows has an amazing capability to create pivot tables arrangements to present and analyze data. We have called them pivboards, and they offer three interesting characteristics. They are built in seconds. No expertise is required. Slicers are generated and linked automatically. From a listing like this one, it is possible to create pivot tables by clicking cells of the columns we wish to totalize. For example, to create the first table of our pivboard, we just select any cell of the customer's column and press the keyboard combination Ctrl 2. If we wish to build a table with horizontal and vertical subtotalizations, we choose cells from two different columns, for example, vendors and dates, and repeat the keyboard combination. The rest of the tables are created the same way. QuickRows takes care of all the details: table location, styling, numeric format, date summarization, construction and linking of slicers, etc. Once finished, we could add some charts to create a dashboard. Excel has some amazing tools to create fantastic charts almost instantly. Now we can use the slicers to extract the desired data. With QuickRows, data analysis becomes easy. We invite you to try it. See you in the next video.